In this video, we'll give you an overview of how to request a refund for our YouTube Premium memberships, channel memberships, and paid services like movies and TV shows. This video will not cover the refund process for YouTube purchases made on Apple devices. You'll need to get in touch with Apple support to request a refund. YouTube Premium and YouTube Music Premium are membership services we offer to amplify your experience on YouTube. To request a refund for either of these memberships, first go to youtube.com/refund/premium or click the Request a Refund button in our Help Center. The Request a Refund button will take you to a page listing your premium memberships. Then click Continue to process your refund request, then select your reason for requesting a refund. Finally, tap Request Refund to complete the process. Refunds are not available for partially used annual plans. If you purchased an annual plan and need to cancel it, get in touch with YouTube support. If you want to report a fraudulent transaction, file a claim using the link in the description. Channel memberships are different from YouTube Premium and YouTube Music Premium memberships, which allow viewers to join YouTube channels through monthly payments. Channel members get perks like badges, emojis, and other goods. You may cancel your paid channel membership at any time. Here are the steps. You can navigate to the channel homepage that you're a member of, and then click on the Membership tab. Once you're there, click on More, and then press End Membership and Perks. You can also sign into your YouTube account, click onto your profile picture, and navigate to Purchases and Memberships. Next to the channel that you're a member of, click Manage Membership, then press Deactivate, and finally End Membership to cancel your channel membership. Once you cancel, you won't be charged again. You'll be able to use the badge and have access to all of those creator perks until the end of the billing cycle. Note that you won't be refunded for the period of time between when you cancel and when your channel membership officially ends. YouTube allows users to rent or purchase movies and television shows. Additionally, you can watch paid virtual events such as music performances or comedy shows. If you're experiencing issues playing a movie, TV show, or event that you've purchased, check out the troubleshooting steps listed in the description of this video. If you haven't watched your show, movie, or paid event, you can request a refund within 7 business days of that purchase. Get in touch with our support team if you can't request a refund directly from the steps outlined in this video, or if the movie, TV show, or event that you purchased is defective, unavailable, or didn't perform as stated. To request a refund via desktop, go to youtube.com/purchases. Then select the purchase that you would like refunded. Next, select Problem with Purchase to activate the refund. Select your reason for requesting a refund, then continue to process your refund request. Finally, tap Request Refund to complete the process. To request a refund on an Android device, open the YouTube app and select your profile picture. Tap Purchases and Memberships, then Purchases. Click on the 3-dot menu next to the item you would like refunded. Press Problem with Purchase to activate the refund. Select your reason for requesting a refund and then tap Request Refund to complete the process. Some purchases made on the YouTube Android app may be billed through Google Play. This does not impact pricing or cost, only from where the purchase is billed from. You can visit pay.google.com to see recent charges and check how you were billed. To request a refund for a Google Play purchase, check out the article in the description of this video for more details. If you made a purchase using your iPhone or iPad or signed up for a YouTube paid membership via Apple, you'll need to get in touch with Apple support to request a refund. Apple's refund policy will apply. Purchases made for other YouTube products such as Super Chat, Super Stickers, Super Thanks, and donations are non-refundable. If you notice an unauthorized charge on your account for any of these products, use the link in the description to report the charge. Refunds from YouTube are returned to the payment method used to make the original purchase. Refunds take different amounts of time depending on how you paid. If your refund takes longer than expected, check your refund status on your Google Payments account. If the status is refunded, you'll find a credit on your form of payment. If the status is cancelled, the order was not charged and you will not find a credit on your form of payment. To learn more about requesting refunds on YouTube, check out the links in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.